you see this new speed sign, tell me.
Yeah, new speed sign is 20.
Okay.
There is obstruction, so I need to in the middle.
Okay. Yeah, now this is fine. You dealt with the okay with the meeting cars, and hold back position was okay this time. You stopped 2 cars behind this time, okay, which is okay. This is fine. Keep going ahead.
There is another obstruction, so I need to go with the left side.
Okay. Steer slowly is your steering, okay? Nice and slow. End of the road, turn right, please.
There is another road.
Yes. When you see your junction, then signal, okay? Always look on your right. If there's one road before your turn,
There is no end of the road.
yes, here.
Here I get a signal.
What we're gonna do here is a closed junction,
Both sides we are looking.
okay? Look on the side. Keep looking, both sides. Wait, otherwise you're gonna hit the car, okay? I can't let you like this. If he come in the middle, there's no space. Don't rush it. It's fine. Maybe he's
No.
waiting. He's waiting for you. Okay. Now this is fine. And then turn. Come to the left. Yeah, keep going. Come to the left. This is fine.
There is bend as like. So
Remember your hold back position. How you gonna deal with it? This is fine now. Good. Yeah, your hold back position is better now. It's good. It's not like before. Keep going ahead. This is okay. If there's no space, you just
no,
wait.
there is a
Yeah.
two car split.
Mhm.
There is oncoming vehicle.
Yeah. Now slowly go, otherwise other car come in then. Keep going ahead. At the roundabout this time we're gonna do third exit, okay?
Yeah.
He's waiting for you. And now come to my side. Left, 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 left. This is fine. Okay? Keep going ahead.
So now we're going in the
Third exit.
Third exit.
Signal off. Now signal. Keep looking for a safe car. Yeah, is it safe? Yeah. Signal again. We count our exit. This is first. Remember, you are steering to my side. This is second. This is third. Yeah, this is fine.
There is obstruction.
Okay, so you slow down. And now you're doing same mistake. You need to steer to my side, to go away from the car. Now come to my side again, because you're going into cars now. This one keep going ahead. After the red car, we're gonna find a safe legal space, okay? Somewhere. Nice and slow. Pull up to the left there, after like on the 4th tree, just here. We don't want any cars on this side. Nice and slow. Park the car. So when we parking, we're looking for a space here, if there's no car on the other side. So we need to keep this space open. If the cars coming from there, they can go around us. If the cars coming from that side, they can go. If we park next to this car, how they're gonna go in the middle? There will be less space. So we always look.
Block road.
Yeah, we'll block the road,
If
and
space, park there, don't come in.
then
Some coming
only
later.
one car can go, or no cars, because if we park, our car is big, his car is big. So we always look, decide, then we make a decision, okay? So we just stop here. What happened on the roundabout?
Roundabout is okay, but when I off in the third exit, but there is a closer have a car.
Mm-hmm.
So
No, before the roundabout, you were turning right. What happened in there?
before roundabout, I do it rush. I need to check it the both side, but I want
It's
to
in
turn.
on the same right turn you made this mistake second time. So when you go on the roundabout, there was a red car, and he was turning into our road. He was really close with our car, and you tried to go in the middle because he was in the middle already. He was waiting to turn in our road. If I let you go in the middle and he's there, what is the danger and what's the consequences of this action?
Maybe the incident is hit the car.
You gonna go into his car because he's already there. He's waiting for his right
Yeah,
turn.
he has a priority.
He got the priority. He's on
Yeah.
the main road, and
Because
we
I
are
am giveaway, so I need to wait.
we are coming from the minor road, like we are emerging, and
Yeah.
he's on the major road. He's in
has
the middle
priority.
already.
Yeah, he has priority.
He's got
Not me.
priority. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
not me.
he need to turn first
After me.
after
When
you.
when I see a safe gap and when road is empty, then I turn.
Then you need to turn, but you want to go quickly. But if you're making a rush, you're gonna hit your car. Even if you pass and you do this rush, you're gonna hit your own car in few days. So you just stop properly. If the car's on major road, he's in middle of the road, he's turning right into your road, you don't go. Always let him turn into your road, then look, assess, decide again. Keep looking for a safe gap. Like the other guy, the black car, he give you way then. If they give you flush, and you are definitely sure he's giving you way, then you turn. So after the right turn, you made the mistake, and then we come on the roundabout. I think you did it okay because I reminded you when to steer. So when you steer and you come off exit the roundabout on the new road, there was parked car on the right side. What happened there? When you exit the roundabout here.
I need to reduce the speed and I need to less the two car space.
But when you exit and you come in the new roundabout, there's less space. What you gonna do? How you gonna fix this? If you see cars,
I need to less speed and I need to go on the left side.
okay, so you look at the space. If there's less space, you come on the new road, you just exit the roundabout, there's no much space. So just ease off slowly, look at the gap, slowly go
Because
through
this
the gap.
roundabout very small,
So your decision should be nice and safe and look at the situation according to the road situation, because every road is different. There's so many exits and they're all closer
all closer.
and they're all different. So it's hard decisions on this roundabout. You have to make, okay? So this time we're gonna go out, and then because you made a new mistake, which is right turn, I just wanna see, we're gonna make few right turns as well to fix the fault, and we're gonna on the same roundabout we're gonna do fourth exit right, okay? And then I want to see your right turn as well, because we want to fix the right turn mistakes. So end of this road, the road bends to the left.